All right, good afternoon. We're working on this 2017 Mustang GT today, and what we're going to be doing is a full LED conversion on the car. We've just gone ahead and put on the new Morimoto XB LED taillights. Our guy decided to go with the smoke version, and now we've turned our attention to the front end of the vehicle. This car comes from the factory with LED fog lights as stock equipment, so no need for any love there. However, the factory headlights and definitely the front turn signals leave a little bit to be desired. So we got Val on site today from Overlit Customs. Always want to thank Val for his time. Pro installer, very good at what he does. He's going to be helping us install the brand new Morimoto XB LED bi-LED headlights for the Mustang S550. These feature a full LED daytime running light as well as a full LED projector, high and low beam. They look great and they're OEM quality, completely plug and play. But even though the headlights are sweet, I'm super stoked about these front sequential turn signals. Compared to the stock incandescent powered ones, these things are so much cooler. Not only are they far brighter, they look better on the vehicle, but they are a full sequential function, so they will match the tail lights and the DRL and the headlights as well, and they look great. So we'll go ahead and show you how these things are put on. It just takes a little bit of time, but once you have the front end apart, everything from there is fully plug and play, and the fitment, like I said, is of OEM quality. So without further ado, let's go ahead and tear this thing apart, get into it, and we will get these things mounted up.